Wow!
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel guys! Kumusta po kayong lahat? So today's video guys ay mag-i-experiment po ako. And check this out. You might be interested in this one. But before we proceed guys, let me say thank you to everyone who subscribed here in my channel. Thank you very much guys. And for those who have not subscribed yet here in my channel, please subscribe now and click the notification bell button below so you will get notified on my next video. And then I'm going to throw it out in the air. Tingnan po natin kung mag-evaporate. We'll see. Let's find out after this. There you go guys. It's really in a boiling point now. There, it's really boiling. Ayan na, kumukulo na siya talaga. Ayan. Super duper boiling talaga. Ayan. So guys, this is my first experiment. I am going to fry the egg in a cold weather. So here, I'm going outside na. Ooh, it's freezing cold, so I will let my hubby do this. So hubby went outside to do this experiment for me. Watch this one carefully, guys. Okay, he's gonna crack the egg now. Oops. But wait. What's happening? Is he know how to crack the egg? Oh la la. He's trying to figure out. Well, crack the egg here or down there. There you go. Crack the egg. There you go. So here. Oh cool, look at that on the side of the eggs guys. It's kind of turning white now. Yeah, it's turning white. We will let this set for a while. Let's see how it goes. So it's been about 1 minute guys, and look at that. The white looks like it's really freezing. And look at the yellow color. It looks like a cooked one, but the white is really frozen. So guys, oh look, tingnan nyo. Yung white talagang frozen siya. But tingnan nyo yung yellow one. It's cooked. There you go. So this is my experiment number 1. Frozen egg white and cooked egg yolk. Anyone ready for breakfast? There you go. So guys, what do you think about my experiment number 1? Please comment down below about your thoughts, guys. Why the egg white is frozen and the egg yolk is cooked. So guys, the weather outside is -34 and feels like -42. And the second experiment that we're going to do is my hubby's going to throw the water out in the air. It's super cold outside, guys. Really freezing. Look at our van. Wow. Wow. It was like a cloud in the air. It evaporate talaga, oh. And it's frozen. Yung snow, nag-snow siya sa air, guys, tapos nag-evaporate. Wow, eh? Awesome. Okay. Check this out, guys. Watch carefully.
Hi, Daddy.
It's look at. Wow!
Fireworks.
Fireworks.
It looks like.
Nag-snow. When you throw the boiling water up in the air and it disappear in the air and turn into snow.
That was fun. Then smoke comes out.
Firework and then smoke comes out.
Uh-huh.
That's awesome, Gang, no? What do you think, Gang?
I like it. Again.
Again? Nice. Good job. Alright, so that's our experiment for today, guys. So yeah, what do you think about this video? What do you think about this experiment, guys? So leave us a comment down below. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, guys. And if you have not yet subscribed here in our channel, please subscribe now and click the notification bell button below so you will get notified on our next video. Ooh, freezing cold outside here in Yukon Territory, Canada. Yes, thank you for watching, everyone. You guys have a good day. Bye.